So I try to think of all the places, like disgusting places where people are gonna be like picking their nose and then wiping the things like under here. So what I will do, I'll take a little on guard roller and I'll be like all over the entire kitchen. If I could get this bottle open, then we could put essential oils in here and then get a lot more surface area sprayed at once. So there's certain foods where you could probably sneak a drop of essential oil in and people wouldn't even notice, like pastries that have dark fillings. And then, so I'm just gonna put a drop inside of all these pastries. And then everyone will get a little dose of sanitizing, oils in their pastry, but they'll enjoy the flavor. This weird little forest whale thing room is super good now. Here's a very good trick. On guard roller and handrail. You just go all the way down. It's a really long handrail. You're welcome, everybody. You're welcome. Call this the stuff sanitizing handshake. Just like roll it off your hand. And then you're ready anytime you shake someone's hand, and they don't get a choice. For example, well, hello, sir. Oh, so nice to meet you. This is disgusting. As a courtesy to the ship, I donate my hand sanitizing spray, chemical-free, mostly, to that station. Oh, hi. Did you want to use disgusting chemicals that are probably going to kill you eventually, or did you want to use something natural? Now I feel like I've done all this work to disinfect a cruise ship and we're leaving it all behind. Bye.